hydrate. I'm scared. What do you think? What is this side of my face doing? Let's just pretend the eyeliner's not there. Terrible. It looks terrible. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Megan if you don't know me already, and in today's video I'm going to be testing some beauty TikTok hacks. I'm going to do full face, hair included, of all TikTok hacks. Let's get into the video. So the first hack that I'm actually going to try is a concealer hack to hide any acne. This girl says all you have to do is literally hydrate it. What the girl in the video does is hydrates her face with some serum and then puts primer on. Then she just puts concealer on, her blemishes and her spots, waits for 2 minutes and then puts her foundation on as normal, and they're all covered. So the serum's on, the primer's on, and now it's concealer time. So she just uses this like flat brush and puts it on all of her blemishes. So while the concealer's all setting in place, I'm actually going to do an eyebrow hack, and you must have all seen it all over TikTok. It's where you get a shadow and you literally take a fluffy brush, put it all over your eyebrows, looks so messy, and then carve them out with a wipe. Oh, I don't know why I'm trying to carve a monobrow here, but I don't know about you, this seems like so much effort for your eyebrows, and you can literally just like draw them on with like a pencil. What do you think? So I'm just gonna try and carve them out of it. The girl in the video's eyebrows are so nice as well.
1 hour later.
I think this is as good as I'm gonna get them. It's not a good eyebrow day at all. Like, the slugs are done. Let's move on. But going back to the first hack, the concealer hack, concealer's definitely been on for more than 2 minutes. But I'm just gonna put the foundation on, blend everything out, and then we'll see how that looks. So I've just blended out all my foundation. I feel like my skin's looking really nice. It has concealed things like really nice actually. I definitely think I'll try this again. Yeah, I think this is a thumbs up. So the third beauty TikTok hack that I'm actually going to do is a concealer hack. So there wasn't very many concealer hacks online, but I did find this one girl who puts a concealer on in a completely different place that I put mine on. So I thought I'd give that a go and see how that looks. It's supposed to stop all the cakiness. So she does like 2 lines like that. 1 line down her nose. An X on her forehead, which I think's strange. And then a line down the middle of her chin. I'm going to try and blend it all out and then we'll see what it looks like after it's all blended. So I've just blended it all out. It actually blended out quite nicely. I don't mind it. I don't think it's done anything different. The next hack that I'm going to do is using a spoon and a fork to contour. So she takes a spoon, puts it like here, and then draws a line underneath. And that's where the contour should be, supposedly. Then she gets a fork and puts it on her nose. Just blended out all my cheeks, and then I actually saw another girl use this to contour her nose, to like blend everything in. So I'm just gonna give this a go. Well, this is a massive fail because it's literally just taken all my foundation off my nose. So, massive thumbs down. Did not work. Won't be doing that again. So the next hack that I'm going to try, I've seen this all over TikTok, where the girl, she actually puts Vaseline on before a highlighter. So I've got my Vaseline, Personalised with my name on it. Puts it where you highlight. Uses a finger to put the highlighter over the top of it. This looks terrible. This looks so bad. Like, how did she get it nice? We're gonna have to match the other side now. And that's it. Definitely won't be doing that again. Didn't see the point in it. I don't think it's made my highlighter any better. It just looks really bad. So the next hack that I'm going to try is for blusher. So the girl in the video, she mixes, I think it's foundation, but I've got concealer. She mixes the concealer in with a little bit of lipstick. She kind of like mixes it into her hand and then like dabs it on her face. I'm not sure I picked the right kind of shade for this. Maybe if you used a darker one. What is this side of my face doing? Well, I definitely think this might actually work if you had a different shade. So I don't think using Oh My God was that great, but I really wanted a pale one because I really like a subtle blush. It's kind of like this. This is where I'm at. Definitely want to try that one again. So the next TikTok hack I'm going to try is for eyeshadow, and it's to help you find your crease. So what she does is like grabs her eyelashes with eyelash curlers and puts her eyeshadow like this, and then hopefully it should be where the crease is. So just blended one eye out, and I actually think it looks okay, but I don't think it's anything that you can't achieve without the curlers. But I guess it saves you a job because you're killing two birds with one stone, curling your eyelashes and doing a bit of eye makeup. So the next hack I'm actually so nervous for, but if it can help me do a winged eyeliner on these hooded eyes, then that's a win. So what she does in the video is actually colours one of these little tooth flossing devices. Covers one of those in eyeliner. I think she actually uses a pomade, but I have this felt tip liner. And then she uses this to like create a wing out of it. Pray for me, because I'm going to need it. Didn't do anything. Seems like you're going to have to be quick with this. Quick. And go. Even quicker. Oh no. Oh, quick doesn't do it. But this is not what she does in the video. It's gonna be one big wing. Wow. Then she like joins it up like that. Why me? I can't do eyeliner. Please forgive me. What have I done? So I just did the other eye and the other eye was no better, maybe even worse. Like, this hack didn't work for me. I'm not saying that it won't work for you though, it might work for you. I just can't do winged eyeliner. This is the finished result. Sorry. Let's just pretend the eyeliner's not there. So the next hack that I'm going to try is a mascara hack. I've seen it all over TikTok. It's the one where you put your mascara on and then you get the hairdryer and your eyelashes are all lifted. The girl in the video looks amazing doing this, so I'm so excited to try this. See if it works. Use the cold setting though, don't use the hot setting, only use the cold. So my mascara's all done, and then I'm just going to grab the hairdryer, put it on the cold setting and see if it lifts them. What the heck? How do people do this? Did it work? I don't think it worked. What do you think? Did it do anything? No, I didn't think so either. That was really uncomfortable for no results. What the hell, TikTok? Seriously? Big thumbs down, big fail. Let's move on. So full freckles are like really in at the minute, and I do actually have freckles naturally, but I usually just cover them up. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I came across Surf's Life. She does these amazing full freckles and they look so good in natural light. So she literally takes the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and Hoola and mixes them together, puts it in the pot, a little bit of this in there as well, and like uses a brush and like sprays them on her face, and they go on so nice. So I thought I'd give this one a go. Tips it in. Mixes it all together. Then she just like sprays it on her face. So I'm going to be using this brush. I'm going to give this brush a go. I think you're going to need like quite a firm brush. And she literally just like flicks them on her face. So this is what it looks like. To be honest, they don't look as good as hers, but they are there. They're just everywhere. I've got some down here, some over here, some over here. I need to find a way to just like contain them to just like here and a little bit on the forehead. But with the right brush, this will definitely work. Didn't work for me, but it definitely works for Surf's Life because it looks amazing. Next hack's actually a lipstick hack, which would be perfect. I always need a bit of help with my lipstick. So the girl in the video, she just takes a little Q-tip. Over here we actually call them cotton buds. But she takes this, puts it in her mouth, and then kind of gets the perfect shape for her upper lip. Here we go. Why am I struggling so much? Let's see what it looks like. Terrible. It looks terrible. Why am I so bad at all these? Like, why can't I do any of these hacks? These hacks are designed to make things easier, and my face just looks a mess. Look at it. Well, in case you haven't guessed, that's a fail. So the final hack that I'm going to try, I'm so excited for. You'll have seen it all over TikTok, possibly all over the internet, and it's where you dye like the little bits of your hair at the front. and you just put concealer on or foundation on, and then you put eyeshadow on, and then you dry it with the hairdryer. So I've just sectioned off my hair, the two little bits that I'm going to give it a go with. So I've got my concealer and I've got my whitener as well. Might give that one a go as well. So the girl in the video literally just does this. I think I'm just going to go in with the whitener instead. So I've just put all the lightener on my hair, and then I've put the hairdryer on it to try and dry it out. It still feels a little bit greasy, and it has gone all over my face. I've just got this here because I have a white top on, and I really like the white top. I think I'm going to go for purple, so I'm going to use this shade right here, and we'll see how it goes. So I've just finished doing this side purple, and I actually think it's working. And then all I need to do now is just use the hairdryer and just set it in place. So this is the final hack complete. I say it definitely worked. If you're considering dyeing part of your hair, maybe dip dyeing, this is a great way to test it. So I use the Jeffree Star purple shade for this. And I'm slightly worried because I know just how pigmented Jeffree Star eyeshadow formula is. I'm really worried that I'm not going to be able to get it out of my hair now. But we're all in lockdown, so no one's going to see it anyway. So yeah, I definitely think this is a win. This really worked. Not sure if I'll do it again, but it worked. So that's all the hacks complete for this video. Might be a part 2. Hit the like if you do want to see a part 2, and hit the like if you did enjoy the video. Comment down below which was your favourite hack, what hack are you actually going to try out, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!